I have a great experience about sharEvery global platform. I would like to say that it's like a place where we consider like a diamond showroom. So a diamond will be individual somewhere, maybe not get that demand, not get that value. But a diamond where it is exactly in a diamond showroom, but it gets more value and more demand. So I can consider this is a place like a diamond showroom where we can find selective people, like-minded people, and such kind of people can glow and can grow and can show that the world the right path and learnings and a lot of other things also. Just experiencing with the global leaders, global coaches, or global learners, and really it's a very exciting moment. So there is no particular age that we can see from all kind of age people we can see here as a learners, as a coaches, as a trainers. So really I thought it's a wonderful platform and I appreciate for indomitable work of Rambabu sir and his incredible dedication and passion. We can count the days, we can count the months, we can count the years, but we can't count his efforts and just his passion towards global platform sharEvery. Because it's not easy thing consistently for the last 3 4 years onwards he is doing regular efforts to uplift the global organization and I feel very happy to connect with our Rambabu sir 4 corners of our world, different places we have connected. How it is possible? It's not easy. Because of that this sharEvery we all connected, isn't it? So we have to congratulate sharEvery Global Foundation founder Rambabu sir. For me personally, I feel that it's a great pleasure to meet all of you. So this is all about my experience with the sharEvery that I would like to share.